Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's a cool little video on the Control A, which is for Control All. It's going to select everything. And then the Shift key to deselect something. So we have this whole page of items, but I only want to keep this. But I don't want to move it. I mean, normally the case would be to grab this, select all this, and hit delete. But I don't want to move it from its position if there's some other reason. So without anything selected, I can go Control A. It selected everything. Hold down the Shift key and pick that, and then hit delete. The Shift key deselected that part, and it's right where it should be. Let's go over that again. Control A is, probably in every software to select all, so you don't have to have anything selected. But I'm just going to go Control A, and you can see I can delete everything. But by holding down the Shift key and selecting the turquoise shape, I can hit delete and everything disappears but it. If you wanted just that one item to start off with or keep. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.